Welcome back. So this is a challenge 2. So in this, it basically says Chef Corp department summary. So what does it basically say is, the Chef Corp wants to now generate a summary report that shows each department along with the count of total active employees in the department. So basically what we have to write is, it shows all the departments which are currently there with all the employees who are working. I mean the total number of employee count in that particular department. So yeah, let's say for example the department is engineering or mathematics and P20, 15 like that, it keeps on going. So what we have to show is department followed by the active count, total number of count. It is not specific individuals, it is only the count. So the query goes like select department, and now since we want only the count and not the exact person details or the names, we just say count star, because star is basically everything. So count total number of active rows as the active count from the employee table, which it is equal to active. So count only the active rows, group by department. So basically we have to group it by department. So this department this many, this department this many. So it is again simple. Let me submit it. Yeah, so you can see engineering is 5 active count, finance is 1, HR is 2, marketing is 2, and submission is accepted. So I'll see you in the next video.